So today we're introducing Fin for Sales. I'm excited about this as it solves a fundamental problem with the inbound sales motion. When a buyer shows up ready to buy, you need to be there, ready to have a meaningful conversation about the things that matter to them. And Fin for Sales does just that by running your sales motion. Liz, your team have been building this. Can you show us how it works?
Absolutely. Before we go behind the scenes, I'm going to show you what it would look like from a prospect's point of view. So we're here on this demo website, Exemplary, and I'm a prospect who's interested in their customer experience platform. The first thing you see here is this new messenger experience that we've built specifically to handle sales conversations. And now I'm going to show you how Fin works. Instead of filling out a static form or dropping in a more generic link, Fin starts to conversationally engage with me. It asks about my use case, my team size, and my timeline. These are things that we can tell Fin that we care about when we're setting Sales Agent up.
Nice. And Fin is actually building a relationship here, setting some context before it moves to booking a meeting?
Exactly. So Fin is trained to deeply understand your product and your business. It can handle questions about pricing, handle objections, and really direct a customer toward the right plan for them. So once I provide my lead information, like my name and my email, what Fin is doing now is actually running qualification processes in the back end. So when I mention things like we have 500 accounts and that we're really urgently looking for a solution, Fin will recognize that I'm a strong fit for the enterprise plan and then route me to the relevant next step, which is booking a demo.
Nice. And in the background, it's syncing with the CRM?
Exactly. So it will create the lead in the CRM, and then it will allow me to choose an available time that I want to book and complete the whole booking process without ever leaving the conversation.
Nice. So a key thing here is that Fin has moved beyond support and isn't just assisting sales teams. It's capable of running an inbound sales motion. That's engaging prospects, guiding them down your funnel, generating pipeline, and ultimately driving business outcomes. So Fin for Sales is available today. If you're interested in checking it out, the best way to do so is to go to fin.ai and talk to Fin. Thanks, Liz.
Thanks, Ciaran.